Today we will be unboxing the Rotimatic.
Like that, right?
I cut a slit already, so I can do
Okay,
this.
I'm gonna cut it like this, okay? So you have to cut it open.
I'm done. You're welcome.
Give me the tape. Too slow.
Stop. Done. Bro, you're so slow.
I'm making an insert.
Oh my god. Be faster.
I'm doing this with precision, like you.
Yeah.
I'm doing the Hulk. Calm down.
I'm not. I'm just. This is one mistake. I'm not. Let's make our first rotis.
So we have the oil, the water, and the flour.
It's honey, atta, and I forgot what it was called. What is it called? Tel, pani, and atta. Almost at. Oh yeah, I gotta wait a few minutes. Ooh, it looks good. And it looks better. No, I think, yeah. Daddy, I'm gonna watch it get small. It's literally right there. It's a little ball. It's a little ball that's getting smushed. They're making the second roti right now. I can smell the hot. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, come here. It's right there. You can see some of it. Oh, mommy, you can see the. Now it's getting heated up. It's rising up. Oh, that looks so cool. That looks so cool how it's rising up. It's multitasking right now. It's making the second roti while making the first roti too. It's ready. It's ready. Do I take it? Do I take like a fork and take it? Oh, they're pressing down to make that spread. Daddy, they can see there's fire. Bye bye. Now